and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope you all had a beautiful holiday season. I know that we did, and I just have been really soaking up these last couple weeks. Probably by the time you guys see this, it might be maybe almost 2 weeks. 2 weeks since I posted last, but I just wanted to take a breather before jumping into the new year. I usually don't take breaks or anything like that, but I just really wanted to take a minute and just kind of reflect and figure out what I want to do on this channel this year. What do I want to change, and just get motivated and refreshed to dive back in for a whole other brand new year of YouTube. So thank you so much. I hope you guys had a really good holiday season, and again, Happy New Year. Now, my kids are still home. They are not back in school yet. They actually go back on Monday, which I think will be like the 9th or something like that. So I don't know when you guys are gonna see this, but they've been home still. So I'm just gonna kind of pick up the camera and just kind of give you guys a quick update about what we've been up to and what's to come, because I have kind of a lot going on that I wanna share with you guys. And since I have been gone for a couple weeks, there's just been a ton in the background that has been going on over here. So Christmas is down. I did not film that. Clean slate over here. The house is in limbo right now, which I will kind of show you guys. Let me see if I can pick you guys up and kind of take you around. But here is the family room. As you can see, it's looking really empty right now, just with all the Christmas decor down. Obviously, the boys are on break, so I haven't really been paying a lot of attention to decorating stuff like that since they are home. Here is Mr. Ruger. I'm actually recording this on my phone, so hopefully the footage is good. But let's take you guys in here and give you a little update. So this is what's gonna be happening here in the next video or so. I'm gonna be going to Lowe's and picking out a paint for this wall. I've been sharing over on my Instagram. I'll put my handle on here. Make sure you guys go over there and follow me, because I've been a lot more active over there. But I want to paint this wall all the way over to where it ends here. That picture is going to come down. I'm gonna do some floating shelves and decorate those. These also might get swapped out, because if you look over here, there's a new light, and that will also be coming in an upcoming video. I will link this. I will share all the details. I will probably be changing out all the hardware in here, just giving everything a nice light refresh, nothing major, but I feel like these small changes can make a really big impact. So we're gonna start out painting this wall, and then we will do a feature wall. My husband will probably do some sort of like wall design with like board and batten or something like that. But either way, that wall has to be painted, so we will start with that. I also might want to replace these chairs here. And then I'm kind of thinking about getting rid of this and then doing a table over there. That stuff needs to go back into the trailer. That's clean and washed, and new stuff that needs to go back into the camper. And it has been pouring rain, you guys, like cats and dogs for days and days. But tomorrow the sun's supposed to come out, and then I can put that back into the trailer. So just ignore that. But the plan is to take these down and put up curtains, put up maybe like a console over there and decorate that really nice. Get rid of this piece that I've literally had for like 10 years of donations over there. The goal is to get a new couch maybe in the next like 6 months or so. And then this table. I got this a little over a year ago from a friend that was moving out of state for like dirt cheap. I think I paid like 80 bucks for it. And I think I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint that. And then of course, I'm gonna take all of this down. All the shelving, I'm not taking the shelving down, the decor on the shelving. And we're gonna be revamping all that. And then I'm probably going to do something with this area, either paint it, wrap it in tile, or maybe quartz or something like that. The gray area behind the TV and around the fireplace mantle. And then maybe like a wood mantle there. The goal is to swap out these curtains. And then of course, deep cleaning, decluttering. My guest bedroom in there is really bad. In fact, since we're here and I'm making this video, I might as well show you guys. So this is really bad in here, especially since Christmas and stuff. I have all of my trees in here. This is my main tree, bedroom tree, and the boys' like play area tree. Now these are shoved in here because I need to go through all of this. I used to have a jewelry business and I left that to pursue YouTube full time. So there's a ton of wasted space in here. This is, you know, a standard closet, like plenty of room for all this extra stuff. So it's just thrown in here. So this is definitely going to be an upcoming project. I'm just trying to give you guys a peek into what is to come. So obviously this needs to be decluttered and organized. I need to donate, sell stuff. This bed I think is gonna go upstairs to my son Ryland's room, maybe get a different bed for in here. There's just a lot on the to-do list for 2023. There are also projects upstairs. The boys are up there playing right now, so I don't want to take you guys up there, but I also want to do a full playroom revamp and then finish my bathroom. You guys, we started the bathroom a good few months ago and I need to finish it. The mirror needs to come down, new faucets, new lights, new mirrors. We need to get more organized. I did pick up some decor. I'm gonna be doing some floating shelves, new linens, stuff like that. So I wanted to jump in here and make this my first video just as like a catch up. Also, my wheels are turning. Are we gonna be moving this year? I don't know. There are some things going on in the background where that can potentially happen. The market is kind of slowed down. It's not super inflated and stuff as bad as it was. So I can kind of bring you guys a little bit more up to date with that as well. So either way, doing all this stuff to the house, whether we stay or we do end up selling, it's either prepping the house to look nice to sell or we get to enjoy it and just continue to invest in our investment. So yeah, I don't really know what else I have to update you guys on. We've just been hanging out, spending a lot of times with friends and family. We've been camping. My husband, of course, is back to work. We'll get the kids back to school in just a few days, get back into that routine. Then obviously I need to pick up the camera and get back to content over here, which is something I should probably also touch on for you guys. So you're still gonna find a lot of cooking, cleaning, decorating motivation on here, just with a twist, a little bit of a refresh because I don't get to do this often. So I can get really bored really easily. So we're gonna get more creative. You're gonna see more of me. You're gonna get more, not so much day in the life, but just more because I want to be able to connect with you guys in that way. And I really do enjoy chatting with you guys in the comments. When I do open up and share certain things, I feel like my comment section really, really lights up and it's really, really fun. So maybe do more shop with me's and decorating hauls, home makeovers, and stuff like that. You're gonna see everything here, lifestyle and homemaking here on my channel, with me trying to come out of my shell a little bit more. I'm really pushing myself this year. So let me know if you guys have picked a word for 2023. Last year, my word was growth. And I think this year, I keep on leaning to freedom. And that can mean so many different things. But let me know if you guys pick a word for the new year. I've really missed posting on here. I've missed chatting with you guys. You will also be seeing a lot more YouTube shorts because without keeping up with YouTube and buying into all the new features, you kind of get left behind. So I really need to get with the time. If you guys are new here, I will hope that you will consider subscribing before you leave today. And we're gonna be going through my house room by room, cabinet by cabinet, drawer by drawer. We're gonna redecorate, refresh, and purge. That is what we're gonna be doing. So I hope that you guys will come along on this ride for me and this journey. And I'm really, really looking forward to seeing what this channel does on YouTube for 2023. So, all right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get to filming. So I'll see you guys really, really soon. Bye.